What's up everybody, my name is Bobby and today I have a real quick unboxing video for you guys. So, I'm pretty sure I know what's in here and I think it is going to be the Generation 3 Oura Ring. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and see. Oh, there's a little pull tab, I knew that. And I was right. So the box is a totally different shape than the previous generation. So the last one was like a really square box. This one's like more flat and kind of like rectangular. So we got some info on the back. It looks like there's like a, oh shit. It opens like almost like an engagement box. Damn, this looks really slick. So we have the ring itself right here. So it looks and feels pretty much identical to the previous generation. But there's a significant amount of more sensors within it. There's some really cool new features. And boom, it fits perfectly. Awesome. So there's the ring itself. Inside here, we have the same familiar charging dock. So that's kind of how you charge that guy up. And then we have the charging cable, it looks like. This is like a weird wrap. What the hell? I'm gonna figure out how to get, oh, there we go. Haha. Not rocket science. Interesting. So, the cable itself is actually like a rubber cable, whereas on the previous generation it was like a braided cable. So, that's in my opinion. I'm not super excited about that, but I guess, you know, since they're giving out, they gave this ring out to people who had the Generation 2 for free, essentially. Can't really complain too much. You got a free new Oura Ring. But yeah, so here is the ring itself. I got it in like the silver color. And it looks pretty identical. But yeah, it's still got that little like flat top to it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy set up and do a couple tests on some of the newer features. And I will post a review shortly. So when you do order this ring, by the way, just in case you're wondering like what size you should get, you can have them send you a sizing kit, which looks like this. And it comes with all the different ring sizes they have, and you can try on the one that fits best for you, and then go ahead and update your order, and they will ship you out the appropriate sized one for whatever finger you decide. So I'm gonna jump in, get this guy set up and test it out, and look forward to a review video coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.